Hello guys, welcome back to the Emerald Makeup Hug. Sorry about the lighting, the sun's a little bit bad today. We are going to be making, something. We've got some maracas I made. And all you need for those are two straws, scissors, paper for the top so we can like that, and a marker. But we're not making those, so I've made this weird looking dog we might be making. All you would need for this, a piece of paper and a textile, origami. And we might, sorry, this is gonna be for the next video. But this is a chatterbox, and this is the origami we're making today, a chatterbox. So let's get started. But all we need is a piece of paper, some scissors, and of course a marker, and definitely folding skills. So if you would like to know how to make a chatterbox, just look at the Emerald Makeup Hug. Make sure you tap the subscribing button, you'll never miss a video, and let's get to work. So the first thing you want to do is not fold it all the way. I'll show you after I've done. I'm sorry, I have to do this on the ground. So you just want to do a nice fold like that. So I've made like a triangle, and this part here, we're going to use our scissors, and we're going to use these scissors and just cut down there, and then we'll have something a little bit like this. This one's, I made the dog out of this. But this is what we're gonna, but we don't use this or any of those scraps. So let's just cut this. You're gonna need a table for this. I'm not using a table, I'm just putting it in the air, so mine's not gonna be perfect. Then we have a nice triangle. So we're going to unfold it. See that wrinkle? We're going to fold it just like, see the wrinkle? We're going to fold it that way instead. So it looks like you've got a pirate ship, see? We have made the wrinkle, and now we're folding the other direction. So then, look at this. We've got our 4 triangles. And we bring this side, see this corner over here, right into the middle, like this, and do the same with every other one. And once you're done that, you just want to turn it over to the, hold on. Once you're done with folding all the squares in the middle, you flip it onto the other side and see what we've made here. Pretty cool. So you want to grab the end, this part, and then you want to you just want to fill up that square like that. And same with every other one. but if you keep on doing that, you're going to ruin it. So, after we've done that, we're going to fold it. We're staying on this side, we're not flipping over. We're just folding it like that. See how we folded it? We're going to fold it again into this weirdly shaped square. Now, after we've done that, we unfold that and get into this part. See that? See these slots we've made now? This slot, these. You want to get your thumb and you just put all your fingers in those 4 slots. There's 2 on the other side. So, after you've done that, you're going to want to see you've got the 4 slots, and this is now we're at the end. We just push, and now we've got our chatterbox. So, the first thing I'm going to do is, see on this side and this side, you want to draw colours, right? Different colours, and then you open the middle, and then on each one of these squares, you want to draw numbers all the way up to 8. There's 8 of these little squares, and you open this, and you write good things, and just do good things on the other side. Or maybe even bad things. By the way, so that would be the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Do any comments, anything else you want me to make. I'm really good at making these things. And